Hey everybody, Debbie OMAD here. I'm actually at the dog park with Giz, as you can see. So I thought I'd show you all the dogs in the neighborhood on this OMAD weigh-in Sunday. And there's Gizzy, sniffing around, just being crazy. I'll show you the whole dog park. It's really cute, actually. And let's come back to Gizzy. So weigh-in today, I'm 2 pounds up. Yes, very embarrassing. Not happy at all, but it is what it is. It's my own fault. Part of the reason I'm at the dog park and I'm coming here every day is to get my exercise as well as his, because yeah, apparently I really need it. I ate a lot of bread this week, so I'm sure that's a big part of my problem, but we'll talk more later. I just thought I'd do this quick snippet of the dog at the dog park being a little crazy guy. He's just trying to make friends with everybody, so that's good. Yeah, he's saying hello. Where'd he go? There he is. There's Gizzy, Mr. Hyper. All right, guys. I'm gonna wander around with the dog here and get some exercise, and I'll tape later and post this up for you guys. Love y'all. Happy Sunday. Bye. Hey guys, Debbie OMAD. Okay, so you just saw me at the dog park, while you saw Gizzy at the dog park from this morning. And so I thought I'd keep the theme, right? So that's a dog park behind me, but I'm home now. I just wanted to stay on theme. I heard that there's some wind on that video, so I don't know if you were able to hear me or not. So just in case, I thought I'd repeat myself. So for weigh-in Sunday, I didn't do good this week. I had planned on doing some alternate days, didn't happen. Planned on staying away from carbs. Didn't happen. In fact, I overindulged a lot this week. I don't know why. I just did. My hair is like doing all kinds of funky things from being out in the wind, because it's really windy. It's gorgeous. It's like 80 degrees out, but it's really, really windy. So yeah, so forgive my hair. Anyways, so yeah, I didn't do good this week at all. And feeling kind of guilty and a little mad at myself for that. So this week I got to get more serious and really stick to my guns. How'd you guys do this week? This is going to be a really fast one this week, because got lots of stuff to do to prepare for the week, but I wanted to get this out early. We're probably going to go back to the dog park later this evening when things cool down, and let the dog get his energy out before bed, and let me get some more fresh air and a little bit more exercise, because obviously I need to be doing that. How'd you guys do? Post below, post on Facebook, Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. Can't wait to hear everybody's progress. Sorry for the short one today, but it's just too much going on today. Love you guys so much. Let me know how you guys did. Remember, we are in this together. We will do this together.